Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing and the initial impression of our W26 smartwatch or the Iwo 15 smartwatch. Let's go! Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing and initial review of our W26 smartwatch or the Iwo 15 smartwatch. I have been waiting for this for almost 2 weeks and now it has arrived, guys. So let's open it. So I actually got this one for around $20, so that's all around like 900 to 1000 pesos. So here it is, guys, the box. So it's just encased in a small box design, and there's a black design also here, and on the side there's nothing, and also at the back there's no specifications, guys. Alright, so let's open it. Alright, okay, so wow, this is my first time, guys, to have the case, and I'm very happy. It's a jelly case, yes, so you can see, and we get there. It's very nice. I'm quite surprised that we have this jelly case. I've unboxed this one for the first time, guys, so let's put that aside. And we have here our watch in black. Alright, so okay, let's put this aside and let's have the okay, so we have here the charger. Okay, so I'm happy, guys, because it's not the clip style. This one is just like the magnetic pins, yes, and you can just connect it to your smartwatch easily, and it's, I think, much better, guys, based on my experience. Alright, and we have here the manual. Okay, wow. Okay, so okay, in the manual, guys, so you have here the like a rainbow. It's in Chinese, but of course there's also in English here, guys, so it's more detailed, I think. And okay, so the instructions, the charging instructions are already here, so, and also on how to connect. So if you have some problems and you don't know how to connect, you can just read the manual, guys. Okay, so it's more detailed, and so far it looks nice. Yeah, so let's try to look at the watch, guys. So let's have here the strap. So it's like silicone, yeah, yes, so it still feels nice, guys, feels premium. And we have here on the right side, so there is a crown, and I think this is the microphone. The crown is movable, yes, that's nice. And there's no button here. And on the other side, I think this is the speaker grill, yes. And at the back, so you have your typical sensor, so it has like ECG, heart rate, and I think this is the charging nodes here. Okay, alright, and then, guys, so for you to charge this one, okay, let's try to charge it. Okay, I have here my power bank, so let's just connect it. Okay, and let's place it just like this. Alright, let's see if it's charging. We'll just have to wait, and voila, it is now charging, guys. So just like that, you just have to get your cable, and it's magnetic, so you shouldn't have any problem connecting it. So let's just wait for a bit, guys, for about 5 minutes, and I will be right back, guys. So we have already charged it for a couple of minutes, and now let's try to turn it on. So there's still screen protector here, guys, but in my case I will not just peel it out for protection purpose. So let's long press the crown, and yes, it appears the welcome sign. And yes, guys, so there are many languages that you can choose. So in our case, we there's actually, I think this is French, Spanish, and I don't know the other language. And then we have here English, so let's select English. And boom. Wow. So the screen to body ratio is nice. And I am amazed, guys, because it really looks so premium. Yes. So let's try to look at the feature, guys, of the smartwatch. So okay, let's try to, when you swipe it to the left, so it will direct you to the menu. There are many features, guys, and it is responsive. So when you try to move like this, so it is great. Okay, so this is the bubble launcher, and let's see, guys, if the crown is working. Uh-oh. Unfortunately, guys, the crown is not really working. So we have here, let's click this camera here. So guys, there's a remote control camera, I think. So whenever you sync it to your smartphone, then you can take pictures remotely. It has the, and then there's timer there, there's music, yes, okay, and then there's also calculator. Wow, it's nice. You can calculate your salary. All right. So if you want to go back, so all you just have to do is just swipe to the right. There's blood pressure monitoring. So as you can see, the sensor is lighting. So let's check our blood pressure. Okay, so this is our blood pressure, guys. It's 115/77. So yeah, this is only for references, so it's not really recommended for medical usage. And then let's check this one here. So there's also like the temperature. Wow, this is perfect, especially in this time. So there's temperature. Okay, okay, here it is, guys. Our temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. This is so good. I'm so amazed with this smartwatch, guys. This is not sponsored, guys. Alright, and then we have this. Okay, what else? Let's check here the dial. So I think when you sync it to your smartphone, then it will also connect to your smartwatch, so you can remotely call somebody just using your smartwatch once it is connected. All right, and then we have here, let's check this one. Oh, there is also ECG, guys. Wow, let's check our ECG. We have here I believe this is the steps, the kcal, and the kilometer. Yeah, the sleep, deep and light. So I believe when you wear the smartwatch, then it will also monitor your sleep. Yeah, and then we have here, you can say flip to mute incoming call. So it means like when you flip like this, it will mute the incoming call. Yes, this smartwatch has many features, guys. And we have here, let's go to the settings. We have the Bluetooth settings, so it's not connected yet. The clock type. So if you want to change the watch face, so just go to the clock setting, and then you can change the style that you like. So let's count, guys, how many watch faces does it have. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, it has 7 watch faces. So in our case, guys, I kind of like this style, so let's, and then time sync. So it means when you connect it to your smartphone, then it will automatically set that time as well. So new notification bright, so it means it will light up, I guess, when you try to turn it on. So you can just turn it on. And then we have, guys, the display. Yes, and then screen time out, guys. Screen time out. I'm a little bit stressed because it will just only turn off every 5 seconds. So let's have here 30 seconds. And then you can also adjust the brightness. So if you like to be bright. And we have here the volume. Yes, media, ring, and notification. And units. So you have here metric. And then if you want to reset, just, it will erase all your data. Okay, I have read some reviews that this watch is like one of the best iWatch clone. Yeah, and I can say, guys, that it is really great. I am amazed by this smartwatch. I will surely use this one for 1 week and 2 weeks, and I will have a review later on of what are the pros and the cons of this smartwatch. If I'm going to rate this one from 1 to 10, I can say that for the price and for the overall impression, I think this is like around 8, yeah, or even 9. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and yes, I am very much willing to answer your questions. And if you like this video, guys, can click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, guys, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.